hold you forever, and I'll hold you tight. Let us add color to the world that we see black and white. Tell me your dreams, so I can dream them too. And when you wake up, I'll be there right next to you. I just want you, babe, with all of your butterfly kisses and light. I just want you, babe, so I'm gonna tell you how I feel. I'm gonna love you and treat you right, and I'm gonna give all my love till the shadows are all dressed in light. I'm gonna love you till death do us part.
Watu Josephine au maloto atoto mazato tausi de biele tori wa info tele ni fo ya boko au ni malili ke o ani mo tele wa info.
But love ain't so easy. We know it gets tough, but we're not the lovers that'll let go when things get rough.
Sir, you make peace.
I'm not saying we're perfect, maybe perfect from far, but if love was a place, then that place is right where we are. See, I just want you, babe, and all of your butterfly kisses and light. I just want you, babe, so I'm gonna tell you how I feel. I'm gonna love you and treat you right, and I'm gonna give all my love till the shadows are all dressed in light. I'm gonna love you till death 1, 2, 3, 4.
For me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love.
Spinning around our fantasy, the opposite says he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him.
So high off the ground, sending for an angel to bring me high. Girl, where did you come from? Got me so undone. Gazing your eyes got me saying, what a beautiful lady. Going back to maybe it's releasing my heart and it's feeling amazing. There's no one else that matters. You love me, and I won't let you fall, girl. Let you fall, girl. Let you